BSc Entrance Exam 2081 Physical Group, Tribhuvan University Institute of Science and Technology, BSc Entrance Examination Question Paper 2081, Biological Group solve Chemistry, Biology and English Aptitude Test, and Physical Group solve Physics, Mathematics and English Aptitude Test. In Biological Group, Chemistry 40 marks, Biology 40 marks and English Aptitude Test 20 marks. Similarly, in Physical Group, Physics 40 marks, Mathematics 40 marks and English Aptitude Test 20 marks. Here are given instruction. Instruction A. The distribution of question are as follows. Subject Group A, Chemistry or Physics, marks 40. Group B, Biology or Mathematics, marks 40. Group C, English Aptitude Test 20. B. Attempt all question. Full marks 100. Time 2 hours. Group A. You are strongly advised to attempt either chemistry or physics. Physics marks 40 into 1 equal to 40. In page number 4, here are given question number 1 to question number 5. In page number 5, here are given question number 6 to question number 16. In page number 6, here are given question number 17 to question number 27. In page number 7, here are given question number 28 to question number 40. Read carefully all question and tick the best answer. Group B, you are strongly advised to attempt either biology or mathematics. Mathematics marks 40 into 1 equal to 40. Question number 41. The system of equation x plus 2y equal to 7 and 2x plus 4y equal to 9 are A. Consistent and dependent, B. Inconsistent and independent, C. Consistent and independent, D. Inconsistent and dependent. Question number 42. The distance between the parallel lines 5x plus 2y plus 8 equal to 0 and 10x plus 24y minus 3 equal to 0 is A. 3 upon 5, B. 7 upon 9, C. 19 upon 26, D. 18 upon 5. Question number 43. Two lines represented by 9x square minus 24xy plus 16y square equal to 0 are A. Parallel, B. Perpendicular, C. Coincident, D. None. 44. The angle between the tangents from the origin to the curve x minus 7 whole square plus y plus 1 whole square equal to 25 is A. Pi by 3, B. Pi by 6, C. Pi by 2, D. Pi by 4. 45. The set A equal to x belong to R, x square equal to 16 and set B equal to x such that 2x equal to 6, then A intersection B equal to A 2, B 3, C 3 4, D 5. 46. Minus 7 less than x less than 1 implies A. Modulus of x plus 3 less than 4, B. Mod of 2x plus 5 less equal 7, C. Mod of 3x minus 4 less than 5, D. Mod of x plus 1 less than 1. 47. If log x base 9 equal to y, then log 27 base 9x equal to A. 3y upon 2, B. 3 upon 2 plus y, C. 2y upon 3, D. 2 upon 3 plus y. 48. If function of x plus 1 plus function of x minus 1 equal to 2 into fx and f0 equal to 0, then fn, n belong to capital N, is A. Small n, B. f1 power n, C. n into f1, D. 0. 49. Two angles of triangle are 30 degree and 60 degree respectively and the greatest sides is 4 cm. Then the other two sides are A 1, root 3, B root 3, 2, C 2 root 3, 3, D 2, 2 root 3. 50. If sin inverse x plus sin inverse y equal to 2 pi upon 3, then the value of cos inverse x plus cos inverse y equal to A 2 pi upon 3, B pi upon 3, C pi upon 6, D pi upon 2. 51. Limit x tends 0, mod sin x upon x is equal to A 1, B minus 1, C 0, D does not exist. 52. The derivative of x square cos x is A 2x sin x minus x square sin x, B 2x cos x minus x square sin x, C 2x sin x minus x square cos x, D cos x minus x square sin x cos x. 53. If x equal to t square, y equal to t cube, then d square y upon dx square equal to A 3 upon 2, B 3 upon 4t, C 3 upon 2t, D 3t upon 2. 54. The fx equal to mod x at x equal to 0 is A. Continuous but not differentiable, B. Discontinuous and differentiable, C. Discontinuous and non-differentiable, D. Continuous and differentiable. 55. Limit n tends to infinity 3 power n plus 4 power n whole power 1 upon n equal to A. 3, B 4, C infinity, D E. 56. Integration root over x square minus 4 dx equal to A. X into under x square minus 4 upon 2 minus 2 into log x plus under x square minus 4 plus C, B. x into under root x square minus 4 upon 2 minus cot inverse x upon 2 plus c 2 upon 3 into x square minus 4 whole power 3 by 2 d x into under root x square minus 4 upon 2 minus 2 sin inverse x by 2 plus c. 57 integration 1 to e ln x dx equal to a e plus 2 b 0 c 1 d 1 by 2. 58 the solution of the differential equation dy upon dx equal to x plus 2y whole upon x is a x plus y equal to c, b x square plus y square equal to c x plus y equal to cx, d x plus y equal to cx square. 59 if omega is imaginary cube root of unity, then sin omega power 13 plus omega power 20 plus pi upon 4 is equal to a 1 upon 2, b 1, c minus 1 upon root 2, d under root 3 upon 2. 60 if the roots of the equation a into b minus c x square plus b into c minus a x plus c into a minus b equal to 0 are equal, then a, b, c are in a, ap, b, gp, c, hp, d none. 61 the angle between the lines whose direction ratios are 2, 3, 4 and 1 minus 2, 1 is a pi by 2, b pi by 3, c pi by 4, d pi by 6. 62 the equation of the plane through 2 minus 3, 1 normal to the line joining 3, 4 minus 1 and 2 minus 1, 5 is a x plus 2y plus z equal to 5, b x plus 3y minus 2z plus 9 equal to 0, c 2x plus 3y plus 4z equal to 6, d x plus 5y minus 6z plus 19 equal to 0. 63 if vector a equal to 1, 2 and vector b equal to 3 minus 1, the unit vector in the direction of 2a minus 3b is a 1 by 2, 1 by 2, b 1 by root 2, 1 by root 3, c minus 1 by root 2, 1 by root 2, d 1 by root 2, 1 by root 2. 64 if vector a and vector b are unit vectors such that mode of vector a plus vector b equal to 1, then the value of mode vector a minus vector b equal to a 1, b root 2, c 3, d root 3. 65 the unit vector perpendicular to both I plus j plus I plus k is a vector I minus vector j plus vector k, b I plus j minus k upon 3, c I minus j plus k upon 3, d I plus j minus k upon root 3. 66 if vector a, vector b, vector c are unit vector such that vector a plus vector b plus vector c equal to 0 and vector a dot vector b plus vector b dot vector c plus vector c dot vector a equal to 0 equal to a minus 3 upon 2, b minus 1 upon 2, c 5 by 2, d 0. 67 the covariance between variable x and y is 18.6 and variance of x and y are 20.2 and 23.7 respectively. The coefficient of correlation between them is a 0.55, b 0.65, c 0.65, d 0.85. 68 the correlation coefficient between two variables x and y when the regression coefficient of y on x and x on y are 0.84 and 1.15 respectively is a 0.89, b 0.98, c 0.995, d 0.65. 69 a problem is given to three students a, b, c whose chance of solving are 1 by 4, 1 by 5 and 6 respectively. If they are all try, the probability that the problem will be solved is a 1 by 2, b 1 by 4, c 2 by 3, d 3 by 4. 70 which of the following is not measure of central tendency? A mean, b median, c mode, d range. 71 if 1 plus cos alpha plus cos c square alpha plus dot 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 infinity equal to 2 minus root 2, then 0 less than alpha less than pi is a pi by 4, b pi by 3, c pi by 6, d 3 pi upon 4. 72 if 10a equal to 1 by 2 and 10b equal to 1 by 3, then the value of a plus b is a pi by 4, b pi by 3, c pi by 2, d pi by 6. 73 in an AP the pth term is q and p plus q term is 0, then the common difference is a minus p, b q, c minus 1, d 0. 74 1 cube plus 2 cube plus 3 cube plus 12 cube whole upon 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square plus 12 square equal to a 263 upon 27, b 243 upon 35, c 234 upon 25, d 263 upon 72. 75 the number of words that can be formed out of the letters of the word article so that vowels occupy even places is a 36, b 374, c 144, d 754. 76 in how many ways can 11 cricket players be chosen from 20 players if Paras and Sarad are not included? A 22, b combination of 11 to, c combination of 22 11, d combination of 18 11. 77. The fifth term from the end of the expansion of x square upon 2 minus 2 upon x square whole power 9 is A. minus 252 x square, B. 192 x power 4, C. x into C 95, D. C 95 into minus 2 power 5. 78. The value of 1 upon 2 plus 1 upon 2 into 2 square plus 1 upon 3 into 2 cube plus equal to A. log 2 base E, B. 1 minus log 2, C. log 2 upon 2, D. 2 plus log 2. 79. The value of 1 plus 3 upon 1 factorial plus 5 upon 2 factorial plus 7 upon 3 factorial plus equal to A. 2e plus 1, B. e minus 1, C. 3e, D. e square plus 1. Question number 80. The equation of the ellipse is x square upon 25 plus y square upon 9 equal to 1. Then the length of the major minor axis and the eccentricity are A. 8, 6, 5 upon 3, B. 10, 6, 4 upon 3, C. 6, 4, 3, D. 10, 4, 3 upon 5. Read carefully all questions and tick the best answer. Group C. This section is compulsory for both physical and biological groups. English aptitude test marks 20 into 1 equal to 20. In page number 15, here are given question number 81 to question number 89. In page number 16, here are given question number 90 to question number 100. Read carefully all question and choose the best answer. विद्यार्थी भाइ बहिनीहरू 2081 सालमा त्रिभुवन युनिभर्सिटी इन्स्टिच्युट अफ साइन्स एन्ड टेक्नोलोजीले सोधेको बीएससी जनरल साइन्स तर्फको इन्ट्रान्स क्वेसन पेपरलाई यहाँ राखिएको छ। फिजिकल ग्रुपले फिजिक्स, म्याथमेटिक्स र इङ्ग्लिस एप्टिट्युड टेस्टमा टिक लगाउनु होला। त्यस्तै गरी बायोलोजिकल ग्रुपले केमिस्ट्री, बायोलोजी र इङ्ग्लिस एप्टिट्युड टेस्ट बेस्ट एन्सरमा टिक लगाउनु होला। यसरी ग्रुप ए अन्तर्गत 40 मार्क्स, ग्रुप बी अन्तर्गत 40 मार्क्स र ग्रुप सी अन्तर्गत 20 मार्क्स गरी 100 मार्क्स र टाइम 2 आवर्स रहेको छ। त्यस्तै गरी विद्यार्थी भाइ बहिनीहरूलाई सजिलो होस् भन्ने हेतुले बेसिक इन्ट्रान्स एक्जामिनेसन 2081 को एन्सर सिट पनि यहाँ राखिएको छ। 100 प्रश्नको लागि एन्सर सिट तयार गरिएको छ, जसमा केमिस्ट्री, फिजिक्स, बायोलोजी, म्याथमेटिक्स, इङ्ग्लिस एप्टिट्युड टेस्ट भनेर राखिएको छ। केमिस्ट्री अथवा फिजिक्स मध्ये कुनै एउटामा गोलो लगाउनु होला। त्यस्तै गरी ग्रुप बी अन्तर्गत बायोलोजी अथवा म्याथमेटिक्स मध्ये कुनै एउटामा गोलो लगाउनु होला र इङ्ग्लिस एप्टिट्युड टेस्ट अन्तर्गत सबैमा गोलो लगाउनु होला र प्रत्येक प्रश्नमा एबीसीडी भनेर दिएको छ। बेस्ट एन्सर एबीसीडी मध्ये जुन हो त्यसैमा मात्रै फुल्ली गोलो लगाउनु होला। बीएससी इन्ट्रान्स सम्बन्धी अन्य भिडियोहरू तथा बीएससी फर्स्ट इयरदेखि फोर्थ इयरसम्मका जुनसुकै विषयका प्रश्नपत्र चाहिएमा वी लर्न टुगेदर 1am को प्लेलिस्ट बीएससी मेटेरियल एन्ड क्वेसन पेपरमा गई खोल्नुहोला र ती क्वेसनको हेल्पले फाइनल एक्जामको प्रिपरेसन राम्रोसँग गर्नुहोला। वी लर्न टुगेदर 1am भित्रका सम्पूर्ण भिडियोहरू लाइक, कमेन्ट, सब्सक्राइब र सेयर गर्दै जानुहोला। तपाईँको कुनै जिज्ञासा भए कमेन्टमा लेख्नुहोला।